Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 5 to the power of x plus 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 5 to the power of x is equal to 2. Now, I'm first going to factor out 5 to the power of x from this. So we get 5 to the power of x times 5 to the power of x divided by 5 to the power of x is 1 plus, same thing over here, 1 plus 1 plus 1, and finally plus 1. And this is equal to 2. Now, if we simplify what's in the parentheses, we get 5. We get 5 to the power of x times 5 is equal to 2. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 5 to move this 5 to the right side. So now these two cancel out and we get 5 to the power of x is equal to 2 over 5. Now I'm actually going to take the log of both sides. So we get log 5 to the power of x is equal to log 2 over 5. Now, using the power property of logarithms, I can actually move this exponent to the front of the logarithm. So this would be x times log 5 is equal to log 2 over 5. Now I'm actually going to divide both sides by log 5. So these two cancel out and I get x is equal to log. And an important property of exponents is we can rewrite a fraction as the numerator, so log 2 minus log 5. And now we were dividing this with log 5. Now I can actually rewrite this as log 2 over log 5 minus log 5 over log 5. Now log 5 over log 5, these two cancel out and it's simply just 1. So we get log 2 over log 5 minus 1. Now log 2 is approximately 0.3010. And log 5 is approximately 0.6990. And we are subtracting this with 1, and this is equal to negative 0.5694. So x is equal to negative 0.5694, and that is our answer. Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So I have 25 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x is equal to 20. Now 25, this is the same thing as 5 squared. So now I'm going to replace 25 with 5 squared to the power of x. So now plus 5x is equal to 20. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is the same thing as a to the power of n to the power of m. So 5 to the power of 2 to the power of x, this is the same thing as 5 to the power of x to the power of 2. So now I'm going to let the variable t equal to 5 to the power of x. So now if I replace t with 5 to the power of x, I get t squared plus t is equal to 20. Now I'm going to subtract 20 on both sides. So now I get t squared plus t minus 20 is equal to 0. Now this is a simple quadratic equation, and this will be factored into t plus 5 times t minus 4. And this gives me two equations. I have t plus 5 is equal to 0, and I have t minus 4 is equal to 0. For t plus 5, this means that t is equal to negative 5. And for t minus 4, this means that t is equal to positive 4. So now remember, we set t equal to 5 to the power of x. So let's first try the value t equals negative 5. So if t equals negative 5, then I have negative 5 is equal to 5 to the power of x. And this can actually not be solved. This actually has no solution because you can't take a power of a number and make it negative. So this is wrong, meaning t equals negative 5 is wrong. So that means that we are simply left with t equals 4. So now we have 4 is equal to 5 to the power of x. Now I'm going to take the log on both sides, so I have log 4 equals log 5 to the power of x. And then this would get me to log 4 equals x times log 5. Now if I divide both sides by log 5, I get log, I'm going to write this over here, log 4 over log 5 is equal to x. And this is our answer.